1 inch by 10 feet. Today, we take you into the future of skateboarding. I saw this post on Instagram where this person put PVC pipe on their trucks and they were like, you can grind anything. And I was like, why have I not thought of that? I need to test this right now. So we're going to Home Depot to test this out. Let's go. I brought me a truck and we're about to go get our Home Depot on. The greatest store in the whole world, Home Depot. Actually, it makes me think, could we do this with a piece of metal? Like, could you put a metal? There's a lot of possibilities here. All right, let's go Home Depot. So we got our truck, this is a tester, and we're just gonna, boom, we're gonna find some PVC pipe that just goes right in there. Thank you for the world's greatest store. PVC pipe, light bulbs, cleaning, electrical, PVC boxes? Where are your PVC pipes? Gray ones? Do you have white ones?
Well, that's for electrical.
Oh, I mean, gray might be kind of cool. 1 inch by 10 feet, just in case we mess it up, I guess. That seems like it would work.
Your car?
Yeah, maybe.
TikTok? Yeah, go. All right, what are you guys doing this for? I'm doing home renovations. What are you doing?
Skateboarding.
Oh, that's dope. YouTube. Shout out my boy on YouTube.
Let's go!
Let's go. What's your YouTube name? You gotta give it.
Braille skateboarding.
Real skateboarding. Let's get it.
That's why Home Depot have the best people. So I'm doing home renovation. What are you doing? Checking it twice. Gonna find out who's mine. Like, oh, Andrew, I forgot my wallet. You got this? Ain't no somewhere now. Elden ring. Forgot about the magnets. Okay, well, I'm excited about this. The only question I have is if we're gonna be able to actually cut this PVC pipe and make it into a good thing. Did I lose that truck? Oh no, it's right here. Got it.
What are you hoping to grind with this?
Everything. What's in my trunk? Well, we got one of these. That's always handy. Okay, there's a way to make this happen. Oh yeah, easy. Prius all-terrain. Home Depot, check. Derek! Okay, so the whole idea with this PVC pipe is that we're gonna cut it the length of a truck and then cut it kind of like this, and then basically you like snap it onto your truck. So I'm hoping that I can cut this easily with no injuries. Knock on wood, injury-free. We need all these fingers, we need all 10 fingers. Where are the saws at?
I'm really nervous.
Are you?
Yeah, extremely.
So I'm gonna cut this to that length, and then I'm gonna cut basically like this. Down just one side of it. Well, first I guess I'll cut this in half.
Yeah.
Can you hold this side?
Yeah.
Am I in the splash zone?
I actually don't even know. Okay, that was incredibly easy. So now,
Yeah, it should work.
here, give me that piece. Tell me this ain't gonna work. This is gonna work, right?
Hope
Hold
so.
it like really tight. How many houses I build, yo? 2, yeah, I think we need to go to about to the end of those lines. I'm just gonna say that that went incredibly well. Am I wrong?
Oh, whoa.
It like went through those.
Oh, then he said like cut a thing for the kingpin. Now let's say you had to cut like a little groove in there, kind of like so. What would you do, Derek? You know, on TikTok they make it seem so easy. Like, just do a little cut. I mean, kind of, right?
No, that's exactly.
Still there, baby.
That's it then. These are your new trucks.
Yeah.
You're gonna grind everything.
I'm definitely not testing these alone. I'm waiting for the whole squad.
For the big dogs?
For the big dogs. Send this picture to Gabe. He's gonna be so excited. You ready? Now we're gonna test it.
Aaron, I gotta say, number one, your craftsmanship, I mean, it's 50% great because that side doesn't look too great, but this side looks amazing. Part two of that is that I'm extremely impressed that you still have all 10 fingers.
Yeah, I know. Yesterday I was cutting all this stuff and I was like, I can't believe nobody is impressed that I have not cut something off yet. I'm doing so good with this. I maybe could build a house at this point. I told you that some people think I actually build houses, right?
Yeah, but what exactly is the concept? Is just this PVC can grind anything?
It can grind anything. It's supposed to be able to grind like a dry curb with no wax.
Nigel, I made some steak last night. You would have loved it. Oh!
Leave it in the comments below if you guys know what Z rollers are. Do you know what Z rollers are, Gabe? Glow, you know what Z rollers are?
No.
Uzi?
What are Z rollers?
Hey, Nigel, do you know what Z rollers are? Oh my God, I can't believe it.
Oh.
Let me show you.
Oh!
Yeah.
No!
Great invention.
I guess I'm so old that y'all don't even know what Z rollers
so
are.
focused on Z rollers you didn't even see what just happened to your creation.
Oh, ew. No, I haven't seen those.
Oh,
It's
That rolls?
It literally rolls. So you could grind on anything.
You're not even grinding, you're rolling.
A Z roller, brother.
metal on metal is
It
a
is what
grind.
it is.
It moved!
Dude,
This
that's-
is way
it's-
harder on flat.
Let's see if I can get a kickflip on it. First try. First try!
You know, my prediction is that if you could get the PVC to stay on, it would work. Without it, I don't think it's gonna work.
Yeah, I mean, maybe my cuts are bad.
You know, maybe.
Dang. Oh yeah, it feels like it's gonna work. Dang it, TikTok, you lied to me! Or maybe it's user error.
Did you get the right PVC?
Yeah.
There it is. Yeah.
You see that? Okay, yeah, I think what I need to do is cut this a little more. Needs to be a little more cut.
Wow.
See that PVC on there? So it definitely like kind of works.
It doesn't really. It's very interesting.
Like what if you made something that like removable trucks that like grind and then you take it off and like replace it?
What if someone just made trucks out of PVC?
That should be us.
It's because the PVC is sticking and then the momentum of your board keeps going and they keep popping off.
Yeah, can I just land one, please? I almost ate it. And I lost one, dang it. Well, is this a failure, Gabe?
I think so, yeah.
This might be a failure. We'll try some other trucks though, too. I think that might be part of the problem. Whoa, count it.
I'm not gonna lie, I think you could do that without those and land it better.
I think you're right. Might have made it worse. Let's try other trucks.
I'm not gonna lie, when you sent me the picture yesterday, I had high hopes.
I still have high hopes.
Are they even gonna fit? They're like huge.
Yeah, see, that's what you need. Maybe even need less cut.
I was gonna say, you can go get the heat gun and then you can tighten it. Just get this hot a little bit and then hold it.
I just love all the weird stuff that we have. Okay, bring them over here.
There's no way that's gonna work.
Is this gonna work? I feel like Nigel's like secretly good at like he's a plumber, he's an electrician. But let's see if this is gonna work. That is kind of working though, isn't it?
Oh, that's on the way better than it was.
Oh!
That was
Nigel!
so slick.
You've been training!
I'm out of here.
Yeah, we got plastic everything. You got plastic trucks with the plastic rails, you know. We got some
Wait.
plastic wheels.
Aaron, I didn't even think of that. Of course it'll work. It's just like rails, but on your trucks.
But these aren't PVC.
Dear God. You know what? You probably saw that, but I feel like an idiot right now.
Wow!
I don't know how to skate with such a big board.
Yeah, you do.
Can we do
Uh-oh. I better get my dog.
Wow!
Dave, if you can 50-50 circle rails, I would tell you to do this. Hey, you can 50-50 circle rails.
I've done it once. Doesn't mean I can.
Try it in the mirror.
You know they make those covers.
No, they do not. Where? Madrid Skateboards makes these covers?
Really? So you already know.
Aaron, relate to the game, damn it.
Oh my! It's too good. It's too good.
it does work. It works really well.
Aaron, let me see, let me.
Look at this.
Yeah, wait, what? Uh-oh, so we have to get those compared to these now. Homemade versus those.
Add some 80s flair to your setup.
Dude, if you put those on and use curb covers, you're like the ultimate street being.
Let's do it.
All right, Aaron, well, I think we proved that our ghetto version works well enough, and now we need to go get the pro version and make another video.
What? We gotta skate this over there. We gotta skate for the people.
This is Maya, everyone.
How's that feel?
Slick.
Is
Is
it?
it more slick than the ones you have? Oh my god! I can go forever!
He says he can go forever, but he sticks.
Oh! Not enough room. I say they work beautifully. You gotta give it a wing danga.
Yeah. Wow, Gabe. It is really nice.
Is it?
I mean, obviously, the point of this was that you can grind anything, and clearly you can grind this. It is, like, really nice. You gotta try it.
This is a big boy skateboard.
Holy!
You feeling that?
Felt it in my lower back.
You felt that in your lower back? Oh, boy.
You get on there and you're on a cloud. That's what it's like.
It is perfect.
I'll trade you.
It's perfection.
That does feel great.
And I don't even know what. It's like too much. We're going sideways. We're riding sideways, this way, that away.
Let's go!
If I land this first try right here, kickflip, which has nothing to do with these trucks, Uzi owes me 10 bucks. Venmo.
I'll make payments.
He'll do it in 10 easy payments of $1. Heel flip?
No way.
No, I ain't even trying that. All right, let us know what DIY contraption you'd like us to test next. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. And you, yes, you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com.